service area, or the pits as it would be. Here we are in the pits. I don't know if you can hear me because it's so windy. It never rains on the Isle of Wight. Sometimes it is a little windy. Right, we're just going to go for a walk down the track and see what it's like. Road love. Good, isn't it? I do. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our patrons. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Right, we're scrutineered. Dad's off to get scrutineered. They're pleased that we're organised. What did he make you rev to? Okay, that's all right. Yeah, I was surprised you liked, didn't it? Did you get a sticker? Scrutineer sticker? Oh, okay, that's good. Well, that's good news. We're all scrutineered. Ready for tomorrow. Excited.
Kev, have you got your Motorsport UK card?
Yeah.
Have you got your membership card?
Oh yeah, look at that!
Those calipers?
Yeah.
Those different?
No, what? Right, that's it. Scrutineering and sign on is done for the Sandown Sprint this weekend. If you want to come and have a watch, you're more... Alfie! Mate! Alfie the cat. Hashtag not my cat. Anyway, what was I saying? If you'd like to come down and watch the event, by all means come down. In fact, to go into the pits or the service area is completely free, but you do have to go via the Yaverland entrance. If you're an Islander, you know what that's all about. And then you can get tickets at that end, or at Sandown, there's tickets available there. Love to see you, and so until next time, ta-ta for now. Mate! You come to chill out in the workshop for a bit? Yeah, don't blame me. Oh, dude. dude.